What is up, guys? First of all, thanks for watching my vids and subscribing to my channel. You guys are awesome. Today I will be going over some techniques on how to stack ramps a little easier and smoother. Also, how to build angled platforms and in-air checkpoints. These are all the techniques I use to create my own races. First, I'm going to start by laying down 4 medium ramps nose to nose. These angled platforms can be built off of small or medium ramps. Large ones have too steep an angle to do the technique with the cement bags or the float crates. I'm going to spin this one 180 degrees, place it down, and I want to line up the 2 bottom black strips up here with the very front nose of the ramp. Now I'm going to select a small dumpster, and then I'm going to hit left on the D-pad and X to get this stacking technique to begin to build the base platform for my angled platform. Okay, I'll spin this one around 180 degrees and pick it back up. Now, I don't have to do the D-pad technique here. Just have to get it up here pretty much lined up. Looks good right there. I'm going to go ahead, and this one will be as close as I can get it before it turns red. Pull it back a little bit and place it down. This is going to give me the starting foundation to get up to my platform. They're all built off of medium ramps, so everything's going to be nice in line with these with the medium ramps here. Okay, my next step is I'm going to select the cement bags, and I'll place one on the ground, pick it up, and put it on the ramp here. Switch to my container just to get it lined up. Looks pretty good there. I'm going to hit left on the D-pad and X to get this to stack. And there I have that one. Looks good. Go ahead and place another one down. I'm not going to use the ramp directly under it here. I'm going to use the next ramp over. Go ahead and line that up. Looks pretty good right there. Go ahead and place that one down. Another cement bag on the ground. Go ahead and get this lined up. Looks pretty good right there. Go ahead and do my little technique here. And you can see I got 2 medium ramps and 2 containers there. And if I wanted to build this higher, I would just select medium ramp. I'd go ahead and place one right here, and then I would place another one in front of it, and then I would build off of this one right here, and then that would make it higher. I have an example over here of what it would look like. I did 7 on this. Here's my 2 starting ramps, and made a nice little platform right there. So you can see some of the possibilities of this right here and what it can look like. Okay, that would be a good one for cars. Don't get as much length out of it. We're going to go ahead and do another one. We're going to use the green containers. Be a little bit better for like the motorcycles and things. We'll do this by, I'm going to lay down about 5 medium ramps. This one has a little different technique to it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this. Okay, I got 5 ramps laid down. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete every other one. Okay, now I'm going to select a float pile and place it on the ground, pick it up, come over here to this second ramp, Now I'm going to select my green container, get it lined up. Looks pretty good right there. Float containers in purple. Go ahead and hit left and X. Just repeat this till I get this to stack. Alright, I got that one. Select another float pile, go ahead over to this one. Looks good there. Go ahead and get that to stack. Place another float pile. Okay, get this lined up here. Looks good there. Left and X. Alright, and there shows you your medium ramp and a couple of these. You could go back to your medium ramp. I would place one here, another one here, then I'd go ahead and build off of this one, and you could continue that up as high as you'd like to, for whatever your race needs would be. Okay, let's do in-air checkpoint. Alright, let's go back to the white storage container. Get it lined up here. Come out about right here. Looks pretty good right there. This is just the normal stacking principles right here. Place those down. That looks high enough there. I'm going to spin this one 90 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and select the cement bags, and I'm going to come up here, get that lined up. Looks pretty good right there. I'm just going to do the left and X again. Now you can place a checkpoint on 2 of these white containers, but I like to use 3 just to have a little bit more room up there to move my checkpoint where I want it to be. Just repeat this till I get my platform built right here. Line that up, looks good. Got that up there. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and grab the checkpoint from over here I have. Now the checkpoints have to be placed on the ground also first before they can be stacked up here. Go ahead and bring my checkpoint up here, wait till it's in yellow, place it. Looks good. Go back to props. I'm going to go ahead and delete these out. Be careful when doing this because you can delete your checkpoint, so just use a little bit of caution there. Alright, so I got my in-air checkpoint here. I got my 2 different platforms showing you how to build the ramp coming up to there. That one's just a medium ramp there and taking out every other one. And we're going to go ahead and run a quick test on these. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit the white one first and show you the in-air checkpoint. White ones are nice and wide for cars. There we go, we got our checkpoint. We'll go ahead and loop back around. We'll go ahead and hit the green one. Green ones are awesome for motorcycles. Okay, there's our green one. We'll cut across here, try to pick up a little bit of speed, and we'll hit this taller one that I pre-constructed. See our ramp there, there's our platform. And get some nice long smooth air there. Alright, let's go over a couple advanced stacking techniques on help you guys with the loops and the vert ramps. Go ahead and exit out of this test. Okay, and I have this is all small ramps right here. I got 9 of them, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And show you a easier and quicker method of building that up. Let's start with a small ramp. Go ahead and let's place one of these down, small ramp. Now let's place another small ramp. Let's get it lined up there, up on top. Now if I hit left on the D-pad, I can select this electrical box. Now all I got to do is hit right on the D-pad and X at the same time, and I'll do this a couple times, and there I've begun to stack my loop or vert ramp. Go ahead and select another small ramp, get it up here, get it lined up. Electrical box is in purple. I'm just going to hit left and X on the D-pad. And I'll do this until this stacks. And you can see sometimes I have a little trouble with it. I mean, I've built a lot of these ramps, but it's still a hard technique to master. Okay. One of the tougher ones is getting the transition back around to the loop, but how this is done, and the easiest way I've found, go ahead and place a small ramp on the ground facing the same direction as all the other ones. Come around to the back side, but make sure that ramp's still facing forward, and go ahead and bring it up here to, looks good right there. It looks pretty good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit right on the D-pad. I'm going to go down, select this next right road sign. Let me get this, it's not quite lined up. Okay, let's go here. And you can see the signs laying down in purple. And the way I did this, my ramp's facing up, ready to go. Right on the D-pad to select signs, down and left to get my next right sign in purple, and then excuse me, what I'm going to do is come back up here to signs and hit left on the D-pad and X, and it didn't work. So this one's tricky, but I'm just going to keep repeating this process and eventually it will stack. And there we have it. It does take some time. I've done this, I mean, for hours. You just got to be patient with it, but you can see some of the possibilities here. You can keep using this method to continue to stack around and do the other side of the loop. Once again, everyone, thanks for watching all my videos. Thanks for subscribing. If you guys have any questions on how to build anything or having any trouble, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to answer your questions or make new vids. You guys are awesome. Thanks for subbing once again and watching my vids, and I hope to see you guys soon.